today I will talk about how can you set reminders on your uh, Limo setup. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here, and just click here on more. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on reminders. When just click here on reminders, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then here you set here so days and here time. So then it's going to add video on your limo setup. So that's all you have to do to add your so you add your reminders. That's all. I wish now you I get it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.